This is the recalls section of the app where you'll find the list of all your recalls. You can search and filter for matching recalls by their text content and tags. If you have over 50 matches of the current search, some may not be downloaded from the cloud until you scroll the list to retrieve the remainder. This counter, in the search box, displays the number downloaded so far. When these two numbers are equal, all matches have been retrieved. We have a lot of sorting options for your search results. To select a recall, click the checkbox that appears when you hover over its icon. You can select multiple recalls by clicking or shift-clicking. If you want to select all the downloaded recalls, click here. When any are selected, the sorting control is replaced by a set of bulk action buttons that you can apply to your selected set. Bulk actions can only be applied to downloaded recalls. If you intend to perform a bulk action on all matches to your search, be sure to scroll them all down from the cloud before selecting. Click a recall if you want to inspect or edit it. Recalls have Q&A fields for the question and answer. Our rich text editing tools appear when your cursor is in one of these fields. You can use the editor to accomplish almost anything. You can add images, even add math, scientific and chemical formulas. Besides question and answer flashcards, we offer our fantastic redaction recalls. Click here to learn all about them. You can add as many tags to your recalls as you like. As you type, auto-suggestions will appear for any matching tags in your account. If you want to apply one of these, click to add it. You can make recalls reversible, and we'll separately show them to you in practice in both directions. You'll be shown the question and must recall the answer. Or, you'll be shown the answer and must recall the question. This is perfect for learning a foreign language or memorizing terms and their definitions. Each direction will be scheduled separately by the algorithm, based on your star ratings. Other optional recall features are beyond the scope of this introduction. This is the Tags panel. It's super handy. You can learn more about it and everything else in iDoRecall by invoking our concierge. Just know that all your tags are listed here. You can click a tag to search for recalls possessing that tag. You can even instantly take all the recalls with that tag into an ad hoc practice.